Hello everyone, you're welcome to my Java course for beginners to experts. In today's lecture, we are going to learn Java continue statement. So let's start. Java continue statement. What is Java continue statement? The continue statement is used in loop when you need to jump to the next iteration of the loop immediately. Java continue statement is used to continue the loop. It continues the current flow of the program and skips the remaining code at the specified condition. In case of an inner loop, it continues the inner loop only. We can use Java continue statement in all types of loops such as for loop, while loop and do while loop. The syntax for continue statement is continue keyword. Continue keyword. Java continue statement example. So this is the example for continue statement. Here we have created a class continue example, and basically what we are doing in this example, we are printing number from 1 to 10. So we create a class continue example, public static void main method. Then we are defining a for loop for int I equal to 1, I less than equal to 10 and I plus plus. And we are putting one if condition, if I equal to 5, then continue. And system.out.println value of I. So if I not put this condition, if I not put this if condition, this for loop will print 1 to 10 number. But if I put this if condition, as the control reached I equal to 5, it continue, means it will not print the value of 5, it will skip the value of 5 and the remaining execution will continue. So the output of this program will be, it will print the number from 1 to 10, but it will not print a 5, because when the condition is true, I equal to 5, it will skip the execution of this statement. So let's I show you this on Eclipse IDE. So first we create a new Java class, right click on the project, new, then class, continue example. Check the main method, then finish. Okay, so here we are defining a for loop for int I equal to 0, less than, I equal to 1, I less than equal to 10, I plus plus. Then I am printing the value of I. Now I am running this program. So you can see the output, it is printing value from 1 to 10. Now what I am doing, I am putting one if condition, if I equal to 5, then continue. So it will skip this statement when the value of I will be 5. Now run this program. So you can see in the output 5 is not printed. 1 to 10 is printed but 5 is not there. So this is the use of continue statement. Now Java continue statement with inner loop. How we can use continue statement with inner loop? It continues inner loop only if you use continue statement inside the inner loop. Now let's see the example of inner loop with continue statement. So here we are creating a Java class, public class, continue example 2, public static void main method, and we are creating outer for loop for int I equal to 1 to I less than equal to 3 I plus plus, inner loop for int j equal to 1 to j less than equal to 3 and j plus plus. Now we are putting the condition if I equal to 2 and j equal to 2, then continue. And now at the end of the we are printing the value of I and j. In this case, value I and j will be printed, but it will not print the value of I when the value of I is 2 and value of j is 2. So the output of this program is, it will printing the value 1 means I and j value, but it will not print when the value of I is 2 and value of j is 2. So here at this point the value should be 2 and 2, but it will not print this one because we are using continue statement on the condition of I equal to 2 and j equal to 2. So let's I show you on Eclipse IDE. So now we are going to create a new class. Right click on the project, new class, continue example 2. Now we are creating a for loop for int I equal to 1, I less than equal to 3, I plus plus. Now inner loop for int j equal to 1, j less than equal to 3, j plus plus. Now first I am showing you the value of I and value of j. Now if you run your program, let's see, it will print the value of I and j, and also it is printing value of I and j when the value of I is 2 and the value of j is 2. But now what I am doing, I am putting one if condition. If I equal to 2 and j equal to 2, then continue. And now I am running this program. Now I am running this program. So now you can see the 2 is not printed here, because when the condition match, it will continue the rest of the execution, but it will not print that condition. Okay, now what if I use the break statement here? So now I am commenting this continue statement and using break statement. We have already done break statement, how the break statement work within a for loop. So I'm just showing you what is the difference between continue statement and break statement. Now you can see the output. It break the whole inner for loop execution when I am using a break statement. Means it will print 2 1, but it is not printing 2 2 and 2 3. I hope you understand. So now go for the next one, Java continue statement with labeled for loop. How we use a continue statement with label for loop? Let's I show you. What is labeled for loop? Labeled for loop is simple. We give some name to the for loop. So here we are using we are creating a class Java continue example 3 public static void main method, and we are defining a for loop. This is a outer for loop, but in this time we are giving a name AA. This is called label. Okay. Also we create a inner for loop and we give the name BB. This is a label name, and here we are putting one condition: if I equal to 2 and j equal to 2, then continue AA, means continue the outer for loop. So what will be the output in this condition? Output will be same. It will not print the I equal to 2 and j equal to 2, and when the condition is matched, it will continue the outer for loop. If if I want to continue the inner for loop, then I will give BB, and in the case of inner loop continue, here it will print 2 3 as well. 2 will miss, 2 will not print because it is satisfying the condition, but 2 3 will be printed. Let's I show you. So in this case I am not creating a new class, I am just using the same one because no need for it. Just I am giving the name for this one. I am giving the label 1, and for this one I am giving label 2. Okay, that is fine. But now first I am giving the label AA. Continue to the outer loop. Now run this program. So this is your program, previous program. Just what we have do, we just using a label here only. So you can see the output. I and j value is printed, but when the condition I equal to 2 and j equal to 2 is matched, it is skip that statement. So 2 2 and 2 3 will not print here because we are continue on the outer loop. But what happened if I use B? Observe one thing here, 2 1 is printed only, but if we uh, continue the inner statement, here 2 2 condition will miss. 2 2 will not printed, but 2 3 will be printed because we are continue the inner loop. So control S, this is your program, complete program. Now run the program. Let's see the output. 2 2 is missed, but 2 3 is printed in this time because we are using continue statement with inner for loop. Okay, now go for next one, Java continue statement with while loop. So this is the example of continue statement with while loop. Here we are creating a simple class, public class, continue with while example, creating a main method as usual, initializing a variable I equal to 1, while I less than equal to 10, and we are putting one condition: if I equal to 5, then increment the value of I, then continue statement, and printing the value of I and then increment the value of I. Basically what this program is doing, this program is printing 1 to 10 by using the while loop, but we want to skip 5 when, but we want when this program will execute, 5 should not be printed there. So we are putting one condition I equal to 5, and at this condition we are going to continue the execution. Okay, so the output of this program will be, it will print number from 1 to 10, but it will not print a 5. Here we are using I plus plus within the if block. Why? Because we need to I increment for the next iteration. That's why we are using I plus plus over here. So let's I show you on Eclipse IDE. So first we are creating a new Java class continue with while, continue while example. Okay, check the main method and finish. Shift end. Okay, now we are defining a variable int I equal to 1 while I less than equal to 10 sys I and then increment I plus plus. First I am showing you how this while loop is printing the number from 1 to 10. Okay, let's see. So this is printing number from 1 to 10. Okay, now what I am doing, I want 5 should not be there. So what I will do, I will put 1 if I equal to 5, then I plus plus, then continue. Now run this program. So in this case you can see number 1 to 10 is printed but 5 is not there. So I hope you understand how to use a continue statement with while loop. Now go for the next one. How to use continue statement in do while loop. It is similar to use as we use in a while loop, just we are putting a continue statement in do block. So here what I am doing, I am doing just a initialization of variable I, do block, and within the do I am putting the if condition if I equal to 5 and I plus plus, then continue, then system.out.println printing the value of I, and then I plus plus and while loop. What is while loop and do while loop we have covered in the previous video, and the main difference is while and do while is in the do while the statement execute first, then check the condition later, but in the while loop first the condition is checked, then the statement is execute. So the output of this do while loop is 1 to 10 and it will not print the 5. So I'm not showing you this example on Eclipse IDE because it is similar to while loop. You can do your own. So it is quite simple. So we are going to move ahead. So friends, thank you for watching this video lecture. I hope you understand the continue statement. So this is our last video on the control statement. So we have covered all the control statement over here, like if, for loop, while loop, do while loop, switch, control, a break statement and continue statement. All these are is the control statement. From the next video we are going to learn object oriented programming concept. So don't miss the next video, it is very important. The real Java programming is starting from the next video. Till now I am creating your base. Now your base is ready, so we are ready to move into the object oriented programming language. So thank you for watching this video. Watch my next video to learn new things in Java.